Hello again. So here we are. We're going to continue our discussion about how we build a Rubicon Garden Room. Just really trying to demonstrate how substantial these structures are. They're designed to last for 30 plus years. They're guaranteed by us for 20 years. Bearing in mind we've been going for 19 years, so we're not a Phoenix company that starts up and disappears on you. So, you know, we stand by our guarantees. So we just want to look at the walls in this section. And just explain what's going on with these. So you can see all these uprights in the walls and across the tops and at the bottom. Gives a very strong frame, but the thing that's really important is to have this material, this engineered board on the outside, because what that does is, and here we are today in a windy situation, it gives the building rigidity, so it doesn't move in strong winds. So we've built these buildings on the sides of mountains, up hillsides and all sorts where exposure to the wind is a real issue. These buildings won't move. They are solid as a rock, built to last. You know, in between all of those frames then is the thick insulation. And again, we don't use rock wool or fiberglass because that's not as good as PIR foam. It's about it's about twice as good, the PIR foam, as rock wool and fiberglass. So, you know, what you get there is extremely good U values, pretty much the equivalent of your house, a modern house. And then that's got a breather membrane on the outside. We can see that later perhaps, but you can see some of it just in the window section here. And what that does, it's like a Gortex coat. It allows the building, any moist air in the building, to escape. So dampness, damp air can get out, but rainwater, even if it breached through the cladding, could not come through that membrane and affect the timbers beneath it. So that's a really important thing. On the inside, you've got what's called a vapor control barrier. So there's plasterboard, a vapor control barrier, and the purpose of that is to minimise the amount of damp air that will get into the frame. If it gets into the frame, it can escape because you've got a breather membrane.